Croeso Meifod, nid y teulu Hughes, cefndir, brodyr a cefndir arall. A dyn ni wedi bod yn chwarae yma am, wel, 15 mlynedd yma. Mae teulu o hyd i dod o'r dyffryn yma, a dyma lle ni bod yn chwarae am amser hir.
The way we all grew up together, we used to come down and watch like our parents play football, our uncle, from probably the age of 13 onwards. As soon as we were sort of 15, 16, able to get in the team and play football, it's the first thing that we wanted to do. You know, was come here, play, and then Robbie, being younger, sort of had to follow suit afterwards.
My first game was when I was 15 years old, and it's been a great stepping stone with confidence, everything like that. So yeah, it's been a good ride.
Probably because I'm a bit younger, I've watched them a lot really playing, and then you sort of wonder, will you come and play with them one day back here and to do it and to get a couple of trophies along the way. It's been really nice, really good.
So I married two of their players' sister and moved over here to live in Meifod with them. Started playing after I got married and then have taken over in the past couple of years as manager. We're a small village club. We're situated in between some bigger clubs, so getting players in has always been quite difficult for Meifod. We did really well in the last few years. We got promoted up to Tier 4 where we are now in the Central Wales North League. So this is only our second season at this level. And we're doing okay. We're looking to sort of hold our own. We've got a difficult task today. You've come on a really good day today as we play last year's champions who haven't lost a game for a long time. So we know it's going to be hard work today, but it's been good. It's been a really good journey for us.
Well, Mike, your beloved Meifod are 2-0 down at the moment. What do you say to that?
Well, unluckies, but they're hard working, so they won't give up at the moment. We're just holding our own.
I must ask you as well, you tell me that you know our good friend Tommy Morgan rather well.
Oh, what Aberystwyth. Oh, goal.
Another one.
Aberystwyth and a Drenewydd gyda Tommy Morgan.
Nes ti chwarae i'r Drenewydd ag Aberystwyth efo Tommy Morgan?
Yes.
Do?
Yeah.
Tell me, what are your memories of Tommy on the pitch then?
Oh, he's a bit slow. A bit slow, didn't score enough goals.
Well, we just pulled one back. It's now 3-1. Meifod, they won't give up. They'll be there till the 90th minute.
They tell me, Paul, that you've been a volunteer here at this club for 40 years.
It doesn't feel that long. It's such an enjoyable thing to do. You've got such a lovely bunch of lads. And it's lovely coming in on a Saturday because you're doing things with people you never see in the week. And they're young lads and they have a totally different outlook on life.
Philip Hughes, you're the chairman here at Meifod Football Club. You've just really taken a big step to come back into the game through a penalty. It's 3-2 now.
We have, yeah. It was looking a bit bleak 10 minutes ago, but yeah, we're back here now 3-2. So we're doing well to hang in this. I'm pleased the way the lads have turned this around because it was looking bleak a bit ago.
So Beth, you're Chris, the manager's wife. This club has been part of your life long before you were married, hasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm the other one of the Hugheses. So I have two brothers who are both playing, two cousins who are both playing. Obviously my uncle's the chairman and then my husband's the manager. So yeah, quite a big part of my life is this football club.
Was it written into your wedding vows at all that if Chris was to marry you, he had to take on the club as well?
Well, he certainly had to be into football. There's no way I could have brought back somebody to meet my dad that was not interested in football.
Meifod have just gone 4-2 down at this point. It's a tough afternoon, isn't it?
It is not the best Saturday afternoon and I'm sure I will hear all about it for the rest of the weekend.
I'm just looking over your shoulder behind you now. Chris is stood in the dugout at this point with the children as well.
Yeah, it is definitely a family
Get
affair.
them involved at a young age.
Absolutely. I think you met Freddie, my eldest, earlier. He's the unofficial kitman and I get to wash the kit, so it's definitely all part of the family tradition.
So Meifod has scored again, so it's 4-3 now. So come on, Meifod.
Is Buddy enjoying proceedings this afternoon as well?
He loves football. You're the team mascot, aren't you, Buddy?
Well, Ben, not a bad result for you guys in the end this afternoon, and just a few goals scored as well.
Yeah, a few too many goals from our perspective, but yeah, 6-4, happy with the win. First 20 minutes we were very good, kept the ball pretty well, clinical in front of goal, but then conceded 2 goals, rattled us for a little bit, but yeah, no, we rallied in the end and got the job done.
Be amdano ti? Wyt ti'n hapus efo hwnna pnawn ma?
Yeah, hapus I fynd. Mae'n top of the League One, so job done.
Mae Kerry, maen nhw'n tîm dda iawn, maen nhw'n mynd I orffen yn top 3. A dyn ni dal yn tîm sy'n developio, mae gen ni lot o players newydd yn dod fewn. A ydych chi'n gweld pan oedd yn dod fewn, ond nhw'n change o'r game. Felly mae'n quite exciting I weld y boys newydd ma'n dod fewn i'r tîm.
Ymlaen at wythnos nesaf rwan, felly?
Yeah, looking forward to it. A gobeithio fydd y tywydd yn well na fan hyn.
O, mae hynny'n sicr. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Diolch.